Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to fly a helicopter with the settings. That's easy. First, you go to settings and then you just go to keyboard, mouse, and then when you see this invert mouse flying in here, you press on. And then after that you go to the helicopter. You press W to go up and S to go down. But if you turn on the thing that I told you, you just click the mouse. You just click the left one. You can move up and down. See, I'm flying. But this will be hard or medium. But it's gonna be hard to drive. See, it's hard to drive. But you can press D and A to move if you're on a laptop. Now, this is the end for my video how to drive a helicopter with the settings. So make sure you subscribe and like the video, okay? Bye.